What's up, small business owners? It's me again, Keaton with Dicio Media. We're going to talk about some lead generations today. I'm not going to name any names. We're talking about large directories, how they generate those leads, set those appointments, and then turn around and sell them to other small businesses. So we're going to talk about those real quick, how they do it. And first and foremost, we can see on this left-hand column, they get leads from TV commercials because they have that marketing budget. They get them from Facebook ads. They get them from Google ads. They get them for organically ranking their website on search engines. And they get it from other affiliate websites, blogs, what have you, that your ideal customers or those leads that they're trying to generate are going to be trafficking those websites, those blogs, what have you. So all of that is going to point at their website. So all of these you can easily do yourself too as well. I mean, TV commercials is going to be a bigger budget for sure. Facebook ads has a very low ad spend dollar. Google ads has a little bit higher ads dollar, but it does give that higher quality per leads. And SEO is going to give you the lowest cost per acquisition. Affiliates, it varies on the website, the amount of traffic, and what's going on there. But they're all trying to send them, everything is pointing at their website. From their website, they collect that customer's information, and then they sell that lead or that appointment to you. So that's what we're saying when building your own brand instead of somebody else's. If you're investing in a big directory to set your appointments and send those leads to you, first off, you don't know how many people they're sending those leads or those appointments to. Second off, 40 or I hear people like, $40, $50 a lead is not terrible, but you could literally lower that just with Facebook ads down to like $10 per lead, and it's all going to your platforms, to your website. But again, they're generating all this traffic to their website. They're building their brand, their website, and they're selling those leads that they're generating from that to you. So invest in your brand, invest in your assets, invest in your website, and stop feeding the beast. I think if you keep feeding the beast, they're going to have more marketing dollars to invest in more commercials, more ads, more Google ads, and it's just going to become that more difficult for you to develop and invest in your own business assets. So with that, we'll leave that video right here and stay tuned for more.